Hello everyone, how are you? I'm very happy that you are watching me virtually right now, and it's unfortunate that suddenly you have to be converted from senior students to alumni. But anyway, we don't have any other way to deal with that, but I am very happy that I am able to share my positive message to you or end message to you by virtue of this. Let me tell you that take everything positively, as we have done lot of positive tasks into our life or in our classroom also. So I'll tell you that COVID-19 has also started some new avenue. Will you believe that I was not aware or I was not that much techno savvy like you, but slowly and gradually we have adopted so many technical devices to adopt and to learning. So you can also take it. Now, as you are my near and dear students, I have to tell you one very interesting episode from which I was reading. I was reading The Experiments of Truth by Mahatma Gandhi. You know that there are so many books written on Mahatma Gandhi ji, but Mahatma Gandhi ji has himself written very less kind of work. So there is one very interesting incident which I observed and which I would like to share you by positive message. You know that when he started his practice in South Africa, he decided one thing, that I will not fight a case on behalf of the wrong person. So if I will take a case, I will assure first that whether my client is true or honest or not. Then what happened, that people who were surrounding him just gave advice that no, you are doing wrong, because no one will come to you if the client is correct. Why he would like to come to you? Then lot of malpractices are available in society. Why? What benefit you will get? But Mahatma Gandhi ji said no, I have decided I will go like that. In the beginning he faced lot of problem, but do you know what? A surprising element later on happened, that whenever in court the matter was getting trial or trial was going on, the judges were coming to know that the Mahatma Gandhi's client is correct, and slowly and gradually this reputation started spreading into market, that if Mr. Gandhi is taking someone's brief, his client is absolutely correct. And slowly and gradually the judges found itself very comfortable that if the Gandhiji is fighting a case on behalf of any client, he is going to be very honest. So this helped them in speedy justice, and believe me, later on his practice went very well and he was able to make a huge amount of money. Why this has been shared with you, my dear friends? Today we are in situation where making money is very easy, but earning money is very difficult. And if you'll take one episode or one virtue in your mind, you can decide something, that in my life I will not do this, or I will take this much, or you are taking one pledge. Believe me, wonderful result you will be able to get. So my best wishes to all of you in whatever field you are. Grow at the highest level, make us proud, and one day we would like to identify to be your teacher, and I'm sure that all of you would shine like star into this world. And my best wishes to you. And obviously our physical journey is over, but our virtual journey will definitely be there. I will be available with you for the lifetime whenever you want to come back, and I'm very happy and I'm very much positive and hopeful to see you back when you are going to come to claim your degree. So best wishes. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity to interact with you by virtual mode. Thank you.